Wave goodbye to flabby arms. Are you conscious of flabbiness on the upper part of your arm? Well, this session is for you, so come join me for the next 15 minutes. Those of you who struggle with shoulder problems, please stay tuned till the end. At the end, I'm going to show you how to fix your shoulders. Come onto your mat, and we're first going to start warming up. You can sit in any position. You can sit in Vajrasana, or you can sit cross-legged, or you can sit with your legs straight. Doesn't matter, whatever is comfortable for you. And we're just going to rotate into the shoulders and shoulder blades. So take your fingers, place them as close as you can to your shoulders, and then we're going to inhale and bring your elbows as close together as you can, as close to the head as you can. And as you exhale to the back, squeeze the shoulder blades together. And we're making large rotations into the shoulders. So inhale to the front and exhale to the back. We're going to do 2 more. Make sure that your spine is not doing the work like arching. Keep your spine neutral so that you can feel the stretch into the shoulders. When you've done about 5, we're going to change direction. So inhale to the back and exhale to the front. We're going to do 4 more, following your breath. And if you are new here, my name is Al. I'm from yogagangeya.com. I'm a certified yoga instructor. And 1 more. And relax. Okay. We're going to come into plank onto your mat. So bring your hands under the shoulders. And this is a follow along, so you can follow along and bring the feet out. And we try to make the body as straight as possible, sucking the navel in. Knees, legs are straight, arms are straight. And we hold it. Come down if you need to. From here, we're going to go into a side plank. I'll first show you the easy version. Left knee down, take the right arm up to the sky, and we hold it here. If this is too easy for you, then you're not going to put the knee down. You're going to all place the feet in front of each other or on top of each other with the right arm up, and we hold it. Don't hang down, don't pop up. Try to have a straight line. I know it's not easy because you can't see yourself. And exhale, bring the right hand down. And we're going to go to the other side. So now you put the right knee down, lift the left arm, or just stack, and the left arm up. Excuse my back. And exhale, bring the left hand back down. And from here, we're going to push back into down dog. So push your chest and your head through the arms towards the floor and the heels down. Tailbone is not tucked in, but out. You want to push your tailbone out. And we hold it. And we're going to work some more into the arms. We're going to go straight into 8-pointed salute. So as you inhale, lift your head. And as you exhale, bring the knees chest and chin to the floor at the same time. I'll first show you the easy version. So imagine you are clenching newspaper under your arm, something on your arm, and you don't want it to fall out, okay? So you want that motion, you want to clench the armpit. So the easy version, first bring the knees down to the floor, and you clench that newspaper under the arm, lift the head, and bring the chest and chin to the floor. And we're not coming down directly, we're coming down on an angle forward. So the bum is up in the air, and this is 8 point. And exhale, you let go, and we slide down. And from here, we're going to go back into down dog. So press into the hands and the knees. Easy version, hands and knees. Try not to peel too much from the floor to put strain on your back. So knees, hands, and then toes. Back into down dog. And we're going to do another 8-pointed salute. I'll show you another. And one more time, the easy version. Head up, knees down, clench the newspaper under the armpit. Chest and chin forward to the floor. And slide down. And from here, we're going to go back into down dog. Press into the hands and the knees and then the toes. All right, so if you want it a bit stronger, don't put the knees down. 8-pointed salute, lift the head, clench your armpits as you go down, and the chest, chin and knees come at the same time to the floor. And exhale, flat. Okay, so I think you guys got it. We're gonna do 2 more, and let's go back into down dog. And exhale, 8-pointed salute. Clench the armpits. And slide. And one more time. And exhale, lift the head, clench the armpits, knees, chest and chin. Hold the breath out while you're in this position. And then exhale or inhale flat. And we press back into down dog. Knees, toes, and we're back in down dog. All right, so you can do more of those. For the rest of you, we're going to do something a little bit more intense on the arms, and we're going to do a strike through. Okay, so I'll show you the easy version. Again, bring the knees down to the floor, and then you bring your nose as close to the floor as you can with a strike through. So you kind of want to rub your nose almost on the mat. So again, clench the armpits for strength, because if your arms are out there, you have no strength. And we rub the nose almost, and we press up. So my knees are still on the floor. We're going to go from down dog to up dog, and we need to lift the knees for up dog, looking up. And from up dog, we push back into down dog. Okay, we'll do one more easy. Knees down, strike through, lift the knees, and we're in up dog. And exhale back into down dog. If that's too easy for you, we're going to do without putting the knees down. So we're going to do strike through and into up dog. Let me show you. And exhale, strike through. The knees does not touch the floor at all. None of your body touch the floor. It's just the toes and the palms of the hands. And exhale back. And we're going to do 4 more. Strike through, push, back, strike through, push, and back. So we have to do 2 more. You can do the easy version by putting the knees down, strike through, and back. And the last one. And back. And exhale, bring your knees back down to the mat. So we've done about 5 of each. We did about 5 of the 8-pointed salute, and then we did about 5 of the strike through. If that's too easy for you, obviously you can make it 10, okay? But this is just to get you going, and it will hit the upper tricep here at the, in your arm. It will hit exactly here where you want it to hit. Okay, so tomorrow, if you don't feel it here, then next time don't do 5, do 10. And if you did the easy version, then you must do the difficult version of it. Okay, so let's stretch into the arms. Sit in any comfortable position. If you can't sit on the floor, you can be on your knees. And you're going to take your arms sideways. Right arm at the top. I'm going to turn so you can see. Right arm at the top, left at the bottom. You wiggle your way up, get hold of the fingers. Once you've got it, lift the head. You want a straight spine, and we hold it. If you can't get hold of your fingers, then you use a strap. Let me release, I'll show you. Okay, you don't have to use a strap. You can get a belt from your cupboard. So if your hands don't want to reach, you do the following. Strap in the right hand at the top, let the strap hang down. Left, get hold of the strap, and then work your way up as high as you can, and you hold it here. Otherwise, if you can reach, just get hold of the fingers. And we hold it. You'll feel the top arm that you take, you'll find a stretch here. And straight back, head up, don't be looking down. And exhale, slowly let go of your arms. Very good. And now we're going to go to the other side. So the left arm is at the top, right at the bottom. Wiggle your way. So if you have a strap, the strap is in the left hand. Hang it down the back. Right hand gets hold of the strap. Wiggle as high as you can. And then once you got hold of the strap, lift your head with a straight spine. And we hold it. And exhale, let go. Very good. Tip of the day. Now, the tip is I'm going to show you how to fix your shoulders. Now, I cannot take credit for this, as this comes, you can look him up. It's the guy's called knees over toes. So I got it from him, but it works. I had a bit of a dodgy shoulder. It's all fixed. My shoulders are great, and it's so simple. So you're not going to get big muscles because the workings are inside the joint. So I think it works more on the ligaments and the small muscles. So you just sit comfortably, very easy. Bend your right knee. The knee must stay stable. So you can press this against a sofa or chair or the wall if you want to, but the knee must not move. And your elbow rests on the knee, and you will take a weight that's suitable for you. Let's say this is a 5 kilograms, and all you do is this rotation. So the weight comes down. Don't move the knee. So you don't want to push the knee and do this. Okay, it must be stable, and you just do this rotation and back up. And that's it. Now you want to find a weight that will make you fail at around 10 or 20 reps, because you don't want to sit here and do 100. Okay? After about 10, you must start feeling it's getting really, really hard. Okay, so the right kind of weight for you, maybe 5, maybe 10 kilograms. If it's really tough for you to do this, you can even start off with not using a weight. Okay, so when you've done 20 and you feel your muscles are failing, please do the other side as well. even if there's nothing wrong with the other shoulder, you must do it on both sides. Always balance your body. Okay, simple. You can do it 3 times a week. Once you feel your shoulders are restored, then you can do it twice a week just for maintenance. Okay, and that's how you fix your shoulders. And it's not my idea. Like I said, I can't take credit for it, but it works. Definitely works. Okay. Let me know in the comment section below how you feel, how your arms feel tomorrow. Okay. And thank you for watching, and I hope you guys can wave goodbye to your flabby arms. Oh, I can give you another tip. It's a very superficial tip, but here it is. If you want to wave to someone and you do know you have a bit of a flab here, you can just, clench that newspaper under your arm and just wave. See? Easy. Or if you do want to get your arm out there, you can wave. You see, if I wave like this, there's skin, but if I tighten my muscles, then nothing moves. So you can, which is very uncomfortable, but you can tighten your arm and nothing moves. Okay, but it's natural to have some skin like this, because if I don't have skin, I won't be able to move my arm. I mean, that's logic. So don't be too hard on yourself. But if I tighten my muscles, there's hardly any movement there. Okay, so good luck with your arms, and thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day. Oh, and if you're new here, please remember to subscribe, and if you enjoyed this, please hit the like button. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Ariom Tat Sat.